Hi, it's a lovely sunny day and I'm out in the garden, and you know I was painting away, just painting this heart that I had kind of started, and I just found it in the studio. Lily was painting with me. Lily's my 13-year-old daughter. She was making some pictures and stuff, so I was just using the colours that she had put out, and I started really getting into it, you know, and having quite a lot of fun using mostly my fingers to move the paint around, or this big brush I was using to kind of go every which way around it with whatever. She was using lots of blues, so I had a variety of blues put out, and then actually I'll maybe show you one of the things that I really enjoy doing. I enjoy with acrylic paint, right? So if you do happen to have acrylic paint, that's a bonus. If you don't, just my advice to you today really is to just if you've got a big space indoors, to put down an old sheet or something and a big sheet of paper. It could even be a newspaper, and just to do something on a big scale. Just going to splash the paint on there, and while it dries, then it kind of creates a nice pattern that I can wipe away with some kitchen paper. That's what these splashes are all about. No, that's the laundry wire that's casting a shadow there. Anyway, it's okay. So the reason I thought I'd get in touch with you is because I wasn't sure if I'd be doing anything creative again today, and I knew I wanted to put out a video for you for tomorrow, and I was enjoying this so much I thought, gosh, you know what better thing to do now than to encourage folk, if you've got an outdoor space, even better, get a big sheet of paper, go outside under the sun and splash about in your bare feet. You know, it's a lot of fun. And making a heart is actually a really lovely exercise, that shape and layering. It started with kind of a pink acrylic, this pink acrylic paint I started with, and then I just started using some ink, and what I was doing with the ink was putting it on like that, and then just kind of dancing with my fingertips over it to create a kind of a feeling of a vibrating, just vibrations, good vibrations. Actually, there's an idea. You could put on some Beatles music or something as you're painting, or whatever music you'd like. But yeah, so the layering thing is fun. And then of course you might remember, if you were in the last 14 days, that we did a bit of blowing of the paint, and that's what I've done there, to blow, to give it again a feeling of it like radiating out the way. So by now this will be dry enough, I think, to get, the paint is a little bit thick to do the effect that I wanted, but it's still kind of good. I think I'll wipe it away and then I'll splash more on. That's what I'll do. So I'm making it, you see the paint is a bit too thick to get the effect of the splashes that are there that I wanted, so I'm going to splash it again, and it's a bit thinner this time so it'll dry. I might actually put some of that I'll lift some of that off, splash some of that elsewhere too. And Maisie's had this, she's walked across this a couple of times. Maisie's the dog. So it's got some footprints as well, somewhere. Well, you wouldn't notice actually, I just wiped them away. Let's see now. Maybe I'll use some of this blue ink as well. So the idea today is to do something on a larger scale. And again, really most important, have fun with it. Have fun with it. I think you're gone, are you? Oh no, I've got another minute. Okay, so I've splashed some stuff on there. I'm gonna blow the blue paint here. Create a few little explosions on this side. And I think you could stick to 2 colours maybe, just decide on 2 colours. And use whatever mistakes kind of happen, which I don't really ever feel that mistakes happen. I think things are always happening to encourage you to go in a new direction, possibly. You know, I didn't want those to be such clear explosions there, and I want to wipe away this I want to wipe away this side now. The thing is, if you're working outdoors, it'll be windy. Okay, so what I was trying to explain, I hope you can see it there, is that when you wipe away the